Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix log in Capcut PC. So here basically, as you can see on your screen, I'm on a Capcut video editing tool. Now what you're going to do here, just need to click on this menu button right there at the top left-hand corner of your screen. So just click on this one and here, click on settings and a message shows up as you can see. Now what you're going to do here under the project tab, basically you just need to go here on cache size. So here you just need to click on this trash bin icon to delete all the cache size and helps you to fix the log in your CapCut. Now the second way here is go to edit and here on frame rate, basically I am using 60 FPS. But if you're experiencing lag on your PC, you can make it lower to 30 FPS or the lowest is 24 FPS. Now the third way here is by going to performance. Here on proxy, if you notice that it is turned on, you just need to turn this off and it helps you to fix the lag on your CapCut. And once you've done, just need to click on the save button right here at the bottom. So that's how you basically fix lag in CapCut in PC. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.